All right, so top left, create campaign, and then let's name this DFW testing. And we're gonna do then it. All right, create new. There you go. Okay, so yeah, do the create new. Go back to create new, and then do leads. And do continue manual. Yep. All right, and then let's name the campaign. DFW test campaign, ABO. All right, and then under ad set. All right, so what we're gonna test here is a combination of, so we're gonna create essentially three pieces of creative, 3 pieces of copy, which will total make 9 different ads. We will then spread that, like we will then do those 9 ads and duplicate that into 9 ad sets. So you'll have 81 ads total. And then across those 9 ad sets, we want to be testing conversion method. We want to test interest-based targeting as well as location-based targeting to see what is going to get us the best performance across all of this. And then after 3 to 5 days, we'll come in and trim the campaign. So basically turn off all the ad sets that aren't performing, leave on all the ones that are, and those will, continue to scale. So the first ad set that we'll always do is the open. So this is our control ad set. So let's run it to Messenger, which is our what we've used as having shown historically the best performance. And so we're going to run a wide open audience with Messenger as the conversion method. So scroll down and then under budget, make sure it's on $10 per ad set.
$10 per ad set.
You're on 20 right now daily. Change that to 10. And then scroll down and under the locations, let's run. So where it says United States, hit the edit to the right of that. Yeah. And then X out of United States. And then search Dallas, Fort Worth. Dallas-Fort Worth. No, is it not? Dallas, Fort Worth. It should be like, if you type Dallas DMA, I don't know why they took out the DMAs. That's annoying. Yeah, I haven't been seeing them lately when I've been typing stuff. All right, so area, and then what is that? What's the Denton County? I don't think you want to go super deep into Denton County, but
no, yeah, it's deep.
Or McKinney. What's McKinney?
Yeah, McKinney would work, honestly.
What county is it? McKinney County or is it?
Let me see.
Helena County or something like that. I think it's a different county up there.
Collin County.
Collin County. So I don't know. That goes through. Goes pretty far up north. But if you want to cover that we could test that as well. So we're gonna cover any of the areas we want to cover. Let's in this open campaign, we're gonna do just the entire area included in one audience, and then we're gonna do no specific targeting on it. Collin County, Collinsworth County. Maybe delete, is Collin spelled wrong or capitalize the C?
Collin.
Try capitalizing the C. Collin County, and then just leave it right there. So Collinsworth. How crazy is that? Hit the space after county. Wow. Okay. maybe just add McKinney plus 15 miles or something there.
Okay. How do you add another one?
Search, just go to that search location and then type Tarrant. Earrant. Something's going on. Capitalize Tarrant. There you go. Tarrant, Texas. So I think if you just type Colin, Colin, Texas County, click that, and then delete that McKinney one. All right, perfect. So yeah, you don't have to type that. All right, and then scroll down under, it says Advantage Audience, hit Switch to Original Audience options. And then do Use Original Audience. All right, scroll down. Scroll down. So we're going to leave this. So this is where we're going to leave everything wide open as the control. Scroll down to placements. And hover over the advantage placements up top. There will be an edit to the right of it. Do manual placements. Uncheck Messenger and Audience Network. And run it like that. All right, hit next. Let's go scroll to the top and name this ad set control. All right, and then let's hit next, go down pieces of creative. So whether that be the still graphics and image of just the updated garage door, whatever, 3 pieces of creative, and then we want to create 3 pieces of copy, kind of like we've done in the past. So if you want to pull up that spreadsheet from inside the school community, we can select from here and just kind of tweak those. I would say we're probably due for some new copy. So I'll probably have to do them. I know we made some last time that was the other thing, if you want to pull up Canva, we can go ahead and
here, also let me share my entire
all right, let's go into add media. This is where you'll select a picture and image. So add image. And then let's add that OG, the red garage door repair one. Left two, that one. So let's definitely run that one. Let's definitely run, we're gonna run a carousel for, are you doing installations yet? Or just the repairs?
No, just repairs, yeah.
Okay. So we'll do a repairs carousel. Hit original on all 3 of those so that it shows, there you go, and then hit next down bottom. All optimizations turned on, hit done, bottom right. Okay, so primary text, let's pull open that spreadsheet. And let's go ahead and grab any of the relevant ones. Probably not that bottom one unless you're in Houston or Coastal City. So for you, let's stick to the repair ones. So broken spring, no problem. We fixed those, or having an issue, that top one or both good. Let's pop those in. All right, and then for the headline, for repair stuff, we're going to use the headline diagnose now. Scroll, yeah, there you go. Down one right there, do diagnose now. All right, scroll down in description. Just put, we want to make sure we use the company name, the area that we're targeting, and the service that we're advertising. So, TrueSafe garage door serves Dallas, Fort Worth, and Collin County with garage door repair needs. Call us 24/7 for your, to get your garage door issues solved correctly. Basically, this is just feeding the algorithm a little bit, tell it who to target and what you do. And then call to action will be send message. We could also test learn more in another one, but let's leave this one as send message. And then we are going to, so you already have a form that looks like a converted form. Go to existing template.
Where at? All right, here.
To the right, yeah. Okay, let's duplicate that. So hit duplicate underneath that one. And then what I want to do is keep it really concise. So go to welcome message. What's the welcome message say? Thanks for reaching out to your garage door. And then what's the questions? So questions, let's see, answers, door off track. Okay, how can we help? And then scroll down. Is there any other questions that we put in after this? Other, accept other answers. What is the address for service, phone number? Okay. All right, let's leave this. Well, since we already have this form, let's take out phone number and street address and just have it go straight to completion after that first question. And then basically you're gonna come in and collect that stuff once they're engaged. But this is gonna help the Pixel show conversions more frequently, which will help us get more leads. So go to completion message. So after they answer, what are we gonna say? Just say, so let's change that to be like, thank you, or just be like, thanks, we got your response. A member of our team is here to assist. What's the best phone number to give you a call to finish diagnosing and get you a quote? Question mark. Just to try to simplify that a little bit. Say, please rewrite this to be more concise and simplified. And then paste it. That seems a little any better. I think I like the message bubble, but not too bad. All right, and then save. At the top, go to hit cancel real quick. Go to advanced. Name this one garage door repair short. And then reminder, almost there. Automated questions, turn that on. And put keywords, stop. Put accident. Put not interested in all caps. And that should do.
Save.
Yeah, save. All right, we're gonna test that one there. So name this ad. We're gonna name this at the very top. Scroll all the way up. Let's name this ad OG still, and then do a hyphen, and do messenger or MSGR, and then do hyphen C1, and then scroll down. What else did we do here? Oh, form. We want to tell it what form we're using. So scroll up and then just put hyphen short. Yeah, just short. And then, okay, now on the left side right there where you're hover over the blue one, and then to the triple dot on the right, hit quickly duplicate. Okay, so now we're going to just change the copy. So change the name. Everything's the same except for C1 changes to C2. Okay, and then let's grab that other copy. So from the spreadsheet, grab that top one. Yeah, make sure to put some line breaks in that and update all those.
They do a space or just a break?
Yeah, like that's a good spot. And then I would do another one. I would do another one between most and send us a message now, like the last sentence. Just separate that from the bottom.
Okay.
Right there. Message is fine. All right. Let's scroll down. We could test. So you could also do different headlines, but we can test the headlines in another iteration. So let's duplicate that a third time, and we'll put a third copy in it. So change it to C3. And then just look good.
We did last time.
Do one of those. I like that educational one we did, although I don't know if it performed all that well. But yeah. That one we used last time?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So hit a line break there between whether you. That's fine. Contact the city to get started. Throw an emoji in that maybe. Just like a tool thing. I think there's a tool. Go down. There should be like a wrench. Yeah. And then okay, so now all we basically got to do is create 2 duplicates of each of those with different pictures. Same copy, different pictures. And that'll
Okay.
get us. So now like duplicate C1. And then original campaign. So name this one. This one's going to be, let's name this one video 1. Instead of OG still, just change it to video 1. All right. I guess take that level. Video 1, C1 short. Okay, so now we're gonna create a video 1 C2 short, video 1 C3 short, and then we need to create the video itself. So we'll do that in Canva.
Okay, so just duplicate these.
Yep, and then we'll need all those. Did you duplicate C2 there for that one?
Oh no, I just duplicated the video 1 C short.
No, so delete that one and then duplicate it based on the C2 because you want the copy to stay the same. So that bottom one, duplicate that, then change OG still to video and take out Messenger. But And then yeah, C2, and now you'll have to change the images to video on all the video ones. So now duplicate C3. Scandal, let's create that video real quick. And then for the third one, we can do the carousel. Do you have, and then let's look for video. So at the top it says videos. There you go. And then let's do Facebook videos. At the very top, let's search repair. I don't know if we'll have anything specific, but garage door service. There we go. That. All right. So, and we want video. So where it says filters instead. See if there's any.
Yes.
There we go. Apply. All right. Cut your eye, and let's just put a video out there for that. Have to add some photos in it, but just look for like a design that catches you in terms of, you know, the design of it, and then we'll go in and just edit it to say garage door repair DFW.
Okay, maybe like something like this, maybe. Oh, it's a pro one.
Which one on the left?
This one. It's pro. I don't have pro.
Click into it, and so yeah, this template contains paid elements. So what's this? What's the template called? Blue and white modern car repair service. Here, I'll .com. So I'll go in and same. Here it is. Update this on my side. If you'll let me share my screen real quick. Go ahead and get. Safe Garage Door Company. These checks we want to be benefit driven. So I typically try to stray away from like cost-based stuff, but if you feel like you're an affordable solution, it's worth putting. We could always go high quality service.
Maybe same day service.
Yeah, same service, and then DFW local business. Okay, and then contact. All right, and then what's the
887-5867.
so? And then special promo. Do what is the is it like a service call charge? Do we want to waive like free service? No service call charge, or what do we want to? Do we want to do
Yeah,
anything?
you say like free garage door service or something like free service. I don't know. Free if you can fit like free garage door service. Yeah, why not?
Maybe it's more garage door service. Well, I'll just make that. Garage door. Um, I'll email this over to you. I just want to see how, like, even though it's essentially a still graphic, like just the video element of it, I think we'll get lower cost per click on it. So I'll email this to you, and then for the third one, we can either do, and I'll stop sharing if you want to start sharing again. For the third one, what we can do is either do the carousel, which I like better for door installation, just because you can kind of display finish, like you can display like a inventory of garage door options, but you could do it for like your repair services, or we could do just a nice high quality image of a finished product. So preferably from your door manufacturer's website, just go grab like a nice looking door. Something modern will probably catch some views, and just use that if you're not doing installation. So I'm loading this now. I'm gonna email it. Let's do um
Oh, here, get this. Let me download this. Download the Facebook tab.
go hit that trash can to the right of media. Down a little bit, right there, trash can, and then hit the drop down, add media, add video, and then upload top right. Yep.
Let's see where are my downloads here.
Garage door, just Dallas Fort Worth residents. If you have X, Y, and Z problem, we're here to help. Garage door, like basically what your ad says, just expounded upon a little bit, and then tell them to click the link below to schedule an estimate. So if you ever next service you're on, maybe try to record something or go out to your garage and just try to record a good video. Make sure all those are on original, and then hit next.
Okay.
And then all optimizations, hit done.
So instead of using like this one that we made, it would be better for me just to create a video and put it in this place.
Well, we'll see how this does versus the still, right? And it's kind of, this is competing with a still, whereas like I would love to test the true blue, your face on the video. People want to put a face to a company, right? If they want to work with them, and so having your face in if you have your TrueSafe shirt, and just kind of record a good video. I would record it horizontal instead of vertical, which is a little bit different than what most people would think. But yeah, I would do it horizontal, just from an iPhone's fine, and just shoot that dude. Record 4 or 5 of them. We'll run them all, see which one performs the best. But by and far, like those are going to bring you the highest quality of lead if your personal brand is in it. So okay, now
definitely do that then.
We need to replace that video on C3 and C2 for video if you haven't already. So on the there. So see video C3. We'll add in the video, and then we're essentially going to do the same one more time with the third piece of creative. And then we will get into creating the audiences for each ad set that we're going to test, and then we're ready to rock.
Okay, and then
and then we're gonna rename it image 1 or something, just so we know that it's different than I call that one OG still because that was the first ever big winner for us. Gotcha. that ad creative right there, but and it still continues to be one of the best even now. So image 1, and then this is the one where for repairs I would do an image of either like car having crashed through a garage door, or you in a garage doing a repair, or even a picture of just a finished, nice, pretty garage will work as well. So any one of those three photos, whichever one speaks to you the most, delete that. And then let's go find that photo on Google that you want to use, or if you have one already.
Let's see, I should have, Adobe stock on. Should be able to get it.
Yeah, kind of like that one with the snow. Or that one. That's pretty wild. Footage and, voice over and all that kind of stuff too, whatever's clever. But I kind of liked the snow one.
Yeah.
First driven through it, although it's not tremendously relevant right now. This time of year, but go ahead and put that in there. Done. All right. So duplicate. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't duplicate it. That's why. Okay.
Yeah. So duplicate any of the C2s and then duplicate a C3. So that's a C1 there. There's a C2. So again, essentially, not to get too nerdy on you, but like what we're creating is called a fractal. It's like a shape. It's like a snowflake, right? Where it's completely geometrically symmetrical across everything. And so like when you test in this method, it's giving Facebook the optimal amount of options to test, right? So you're basically giving it 3 pieces of creative, 3 pieces of copy, which equates to 9 different variations of that one ad, and then you're spreading that across 9 different audiences, and that's like supposedly the ideal way to test.
Okay, oh, that's cool.
All right, so now what we're gonna do, control, so go up to the ad set level, and we're gonna quickly duplicate that. And then let's go and scroll down inside of that one. We're gonna rename it from control to, so go up to the control copy, not that one. The up the other one, yeah, that one. Let's rename that. So delete control altogether. Let's do this one as interest based. And then put a hyphen and do garage. And then scroll down to the targeting. All right, so down where it says detailed targeting. So in that search box with the scroll down a little bit, or down right there, yep. You're gonna type garage door. Let's also do garage hyphen residential after that. So it should pull up garage door. And then do just garage. Just type garage and then not I'm sorry, it's garage, and then in parentheses it'll say residential. All right, we'll do those two, and then uncheck that box that says reach people beyond your detailed targeting. Okay, make sure, yeah, there we go. And then scroll down, make sure we're on manual placements. Perfect. All right, so now let's go duplicate that again.
Okay.
Quickly, that's fine too. Go, and then, so essentially we're gonna do, so we have one control, so we need 8 others. which means we can test 4 things twice. So let's do one more interest-based one. So do interest-based, and let's do, let's go down, scroll before we name it, scroll down and let's look at some of the options. So I want to go under detailed targeting, scroll up. Detailed targeting, hover over it and hit edit to the right. There you go. And then in that box, let's type like new or first time home buyer, or like new mover or something to that effect. Anything, new home purchase. Try. How many people are in that? 5 million, huh? That's probably, click on that and see how big that is. 2 million. Uncheck reach people beyond your detail. Okay, so that's 400,000 people. For real estate related terms, so just like real estate, realtor, stuff like that. And then we'll call this one real estate interest. Who is what did I say? So I said interest based, we're gonna do location based, and then we're gonna do, what's the other one? Geographical. Oh, and then we want to test 2 different conversion methods. So let's uncheck that. And then for this one, instead of changing the detailed targeting, let's scroll up and do just location. So change all of those and let's target a specific, like let's target Prosper, or let's target Garland, or just like one specific thing. And then the only change we're going to make in this ad set is that at the beginning of every ad, we're going to call out the city that we're targeting.
Okay. So just one city essentially.
Yeah, so scroll down. I would do, so instead of doing just the city and you have it plus 1 mile, let's do all the zip codes in Garland, and let's specifically target that. So pull up Google and then just type zip codes Garland and see what's available there. 1 sec, I gotta send this to. And if it doesn't pop up, no worries there. So that one, and then
So
these zip codes and call out that zip code specifically. Like let's say you got hit by a hailstorm, you could be like homeowners in 75849, that were affected by the hailstorm can now, and those will perform really well. They're just really tedious to make that many little ad sets.
yeah,
That's one. If if like you're wanting the absolute lowest ad cost, like that's how specific you have to be to a area or to a niche thing. And usually that's when you can get like $3 to $5 leads.
wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, but it's like, dude, it could take you 25 hours of work to build just, North Dallas there.
Yeah, right.
I mean, you're going to go through and on all 9 of those ads, you're going to change it to say like Garland homeowners, and call out Garland a few times in the ad. And that's the only thing we'll change about it. So we can test to see if going's super.
Looks like it's not picking up a lot of these. So if it
Some
says
of
here, should I?
You can during Garland. No, don't do that one. There was one right above it. X off that one and type whatever zip code you had. And just click that top one there. Right to top one. Yeah. So 89 and then 228 it looked like. It was weird. That one's 89. That's route. Okay, and then 50. I would X off that. Don't do that area based one. That has don't do that one. And then all right, scroll down. All right, let's go ahead and duplicate and do one more location based one. Say that again.
So in this one, should I just, instead of targeting like Garland, I'll target like Plano or whatever?
Yep. Or you could, anywhere. Flower Mound. You could do, what's the real nice area up there? Flower Mound's pretty nice, but what's the other one?
McKinney's pretty nice.
Kenny's nice. What's the Dragons? The high school. Southlake?
Oh yeah, Southlake is super nice too.
Yeah, so I mean, just trying to think where could you get the highest ticket,
Yeah.
It's like if they have
let me look like really quick, because that might be kind of far from me. Southlake directions, 40 minutes.
Yep. So you'll do all the McKinney, and then in the ads, did we do that on either of them?
Oh no, we didn't.
Okay, so on the two location-based ones, and change next to the name location-based, let's put location-based Garland, location-based McKinney, and then in so for video C3 short under location-based McKinney, we're gonna change. So just all those ads there, every single one of them, we need to change the copy to have a call out for McKinney. So like McKinney homeowners, True Safe Garage Door serves the Dallas Fort or True Safe Garage Door serves McKinney serves McKinney with garage door and emergency garage door repair services, whether you have a broken spring or emergency garage door. We're here to help McKinney homeowners. Can contact us today to get started with your garage door repair today, whatever. Yeah. So just put McKinney in it a couple times and then do that for all 9 ads and then do it on the other one for Garland. And then we should have what? We'll have 1, 2.
I do that for each.
In the ad, we'll change the primary text to just call out the area specifically. Yeah, it's for that. Issues with your garage door? Question mark. Having issues with your garage door. There you go. So that's when I say a call out, that's what I mean is that first line there. We want to call out the location. So be sure to do that. You can also do that with interest-based stuff to some level. Like you could say if you were searching real estate investing and or you had an interest such as real estate investing, you could, call out real estate investors or you blah 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 blah. So perfect.
Should I leave this as is, or should I do like McKinney Homeowners? Do you have Broken Spring?
You can leave that as is, it's fine, but change that company phone. And then you're actually gonna have to go through because that whichever it's in like C1 or C2 or one of them, but yeah, just go through all those. Just make sure before we launch 81 ads and have to change them after the fact. That would be painful. I'll be right back. Work through that. Make for a better video here. If you don't mind, I probably will use this as the building your Facebook ad video because I needed to record that tonight.
Oh yeah, go for it.
Sick.
That I mean, my GMB finally got approved. I'm still waiting for my Google Ads verification to get approved. But yeah, I don't think I submitted that other one yet. What's the benefit of submitting that other one again?
So Google Guaranteed is what is essentially Google Local Service now. They have a program where they will guarantee the client. So like if the client spends money with you and it ends up like they don't get what they paid for or whatever, like Google guarantees it every service up to a certain dollar amount, so they'll refund the customer. And so there's like really good quality ads. You have guys back and like they do a little bit of vetting and it takes a little bit to get verified, but it is good quality leads. They are expensive, especially in bigger metros like Dallas Fort Worth, but and it's not in every single market if you're more rural, but yeah, like it's super consistent, high quality leads. It would just be inbound phone calls essentially. 50 to 100 and whatever per call. You probably convert through those at 40-50%. So I mean, can be
Dang,
pretty,
that's actually it's clutch.
it can be expensive though, as it's like if it costs you 253, $300, it can be that for a closed deal, which isn't too bad if you're getting installation jobs, right? Because that's two, 1,500 to 3-4 grand plus, and obviously not all profit, but that's where I think having both is. Do you have to have a license down there? Is that what it is?
For to have the company or
No, to do the installs. Do you have to have any kind of specific license, or it's just you haven't trained on that just yet? I forget.
I haven't done. I mean, I really haven't trained on it. Yeah.
Yeah. I want to say that the Craftsman School is there. Like a month or something that you just knock out pretty quickly, maybe even shorter than that. It's like a week long. Just go down there, get certified. There's a garage door certification. So Institute of Door Dealer Education, LiftMaster. LiftMaster is a partner American Institute of Architects, which is approved to present any of our AICs at your firm's locations. Let's see. think there's previously on like how they can train up new employees that they might hire, and we were looking at some options. So I'll try to aggregate that for you and share that with the community. But I know there's been other people in the group that have asked about Bradley Martin, the garage door kid, or something like that.
Yeah, I was actually funny thing is actually in that guy's group.
Yeah.
And it's like, I mean, it's okay. This is kind of basic. So me and this dude that's in the group, we're starting, and we actually already posted some videos. We started a garage door group that's going to be more in depth videos and everything like that. And one of the dudes, my co-owner essentially, he has like 12 years in the industry, so he's like really, really knowledgeable.
On the technician side stuff,
Yes.
that's dope. We
Yeah.
should team up on that for some marketing purposes. Sell it as a package or something.
Yeah, dude, you should.
That would be lit. All right. So yeah, I guess you're almost through these. The control one, we'll just have to update that one, and then we can make these last 4 and launch this puppy.
Oh my gosh, dude, this is
Landing page, and we want to test instant form.
landing page in instant form. Yeah. Let me do that, and then let me just make sure that I put the phone.
So that's the one that we didn't change the phone numbers in originally.
Oh, the phone numbers. Yeah. Florida. So basically, all the help that he's helped me with, because he's helped me a lot, has just been over the phone. And he sent videos here and there. But yeah, so I mean, that would be something where if I was like, I really need to start doing installs, then like I'd probably just fly down there whenever he has the work and just go learn from him.
Yeah, or just line up enough work and hire someone, sub it out to someone for the first little bit so you can hire someone.
Yeah.
Sounds like you have skills maybe on, the other side of the business that, why do both if you don't have to?
Yeah. Yeah, true.
Then it just becomes a marketing and sales game. Okay, so once those are updated, let's go ahead and duplicate control. Quickly duplicate, and we'll do the. So at the ad, and this is where all of the ads. Maybe we don't test those right now. Yeah, let's test instead of. Let's do the other ones that we were gonna do, which were, so we did location, we did 2 interest based. Click website, it's gonna clear all of the ads out, I'm pretty sure. Hit website there. And then yeah. I think it's gonna show an error on all the ads. So that's 2. So what do we have? 1, 2, we have 5. We need 4 more. We could either do just more interest-based stuff. So you could do home improvement. You could do, I don't know, like home equity line of credit and financing related terms. So you could find people that are like refinancing to renovate their house. You could do real estate investors who are flippers that, maybe buy multiple garage doors a year, or get them repaired on their rentals regularly.
Okay.
Commercial business owner type of stuff to try to get more commercial type jobs. So really, you want to test. Well, in this test, what we're testing is just our creative copy and our audiences, and then the next optimization down, we can test landing page, instant form versus the messenger. But yeah, once you can, so see how those are all red, you're gonna have to remake all those ads if you want to change it to test the lander in here right now. So click into that. It's just gonna not have any copy probably. It does have the picture. Oh, everything stayed, it looks like. So you just got to put a website on it. Scroll down. Ads that open conversations and messengers. Yeah, I feel like even if you go. So change call to action from send message and click website right there. Down. So scroll down. Change that call to action to learn more. And then scroll down and where it says destination, check website. And then you're going to put a landing page URL in there. So I would do like your let me see your contact us page. I would just do that. Send them there. Okay, and then then we can duplicate, test the website. You can test call.
Okay, so call to action and then learn more, you said?
Yep, and then that one, check website, put that landing page. Yep, and then just do that for each one. Did we ever set the
I don't
your
think so.
Facebook pixel? Okay. Well, in the classroom under the garage door lead secrets one, there's a how to set up your pixel video. Go ahead and check that out and make sure you get a pixel onto your website and set up the events,
Okay.
because that's what's going to tell you if you get a lead or not.
I know we set up last time we set up like the CRM.
Yeah, there's a website in there that you can use. But your current website isn't integrated into the CRM. So like when a lead comes through there, it's not going to go into the CRM unless we set that up.
Okay.
You
Yeah,
know
I was
what?
also gonna ask CRM too. Like when I was getting the leads only through the CRM, like I wasn't getting any contact, like email or anything like that. I said I got a new lead basically.
Okay, we can go in and look at that automation. We probably set it up as a text, but I don't know if you've done A2P verification in the CRM yet. You have to put like your EIN in and submit some stuff to be able to send text messages, so those notifications may not be going out. We can change it to an email or a mobile app push notification as well.
Okay. And then what should I call this copy?
What that's going to be website.
Okay. And then
Yeah. Copy that control, and then let's do instant forms and change that conversion below to instant forms. And then you're gonna want to change that. It looks like the $20. You want to make those all 10. I would check to make sure all of them aren't 20. Whatever it is, you want it to be the same for all of them. So whatever amount, if you want to spend 180 a day, that would be even better. But minimum, I suggest $10 a day.
okay.
Make sure you uncheck. Well, Scroll down. Make sure that uncheck that. So this one you need to you have to attach a form to all the ads probably is the only thing that will change. So yeah,
Yeah.
same thing you kind of did with the website, but see that took out all the ads.
Mm-hmm.
Scroll up. You'll have to re-input all of those ads. So I would just delete that whole instant forms ad set. And I would just say we'll test instant forms later. So let's just go to the control, let's duplicate it, and let's create two last, let's not do anything there. Let's just call this interest based. We'll test one more interest based. And scroll down. Let's do reset your start date to today. In that red box right there, boom. All right, scroll down. Okay, down where it says detailed targeting. Uncheck that, yep. And then let's do up in that box, let's search. Let's do business owner. See if we can get you on some commercial repair. All right. Yeah, we have 1, 2.
Oh, sorry.
You're good. 1, 2, 3. To isolate an audience here. Do you want to go more towards targeted location areas, or we could do the home improvement? We could do real estate investors, property managers.
Yeah,
What do you-
let's do like the home improvement, I guess. Yeah, like the maybe home improvement, the people that are like flipping houses or whatever, you know.
Okay, so let's duplicate and we'll go to demographics and we'll search home renovation. We'll search property management and maybe house flipping or something like that and see what is available.
Home renovation, home improvement. And then what were the other ones you said?
What'd you say?
Oh, I said what were the other two that you said?
Oh, home renovation, property management. And then do like flipping, house flipping, flippers. Maybe just change it to real estate investing. Do intro too though. Yeah, do that one. Yep, and then put. I think you X'd off of one, the home renovation one.
Yeah.
The type of renovations. Do type. Someone says that's their job. Top one. Yeah, do that one as well, and then scroll down and I think one more we'll duplicate again and
Okay, I'm gonna make sure that this is the $10. $10 of it.
this. You could do target more luxury high-end homes.
To do like okay.
That's set up.
Yeah, we'll do urban location, I guess. Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah, let's clean this. Okay. Okay.
Without the Irving in them to see how it performs versus the other two. Just to,
Okay. Yeah, let's do that.
just to confirm. Again, it's not like an exact fractal because we did change those things, but close enough. And I'd rather see if calling it out helps. So yeah, now once you're done with that, you can go up on the left side, scroll all the way up.
I'm gonna make
Yeah, on those two, make sure that, and there's something missing. So if there's a half moon, scroll up. You have to go to conversion event. Scroll down a little bit. Right there where it says conversion event, select lead. And then on, what is that? Why is that one? FN. I would unshow destinate to do the instant form there. Let's see. I think it's probably okay. All right, scroll down, just make sure you're at 10 on all those, and then we'll click to the campaign and hit publish.
Okay. Yeah, let me just make sure I'm at 10. 10. 10. 10.
It'll glitch out. All right, and then scroll.
I think I missed it. Yeah.
Testing, and then hit publish bottom right. And we can take a peek at it.
Okay.
If there's any relevant data now, what we will need to do is go into the CRM real quick.
Okay. What was that called again? I need to.
Yeah, it's app.solarengines.io. And we can actually, if you want, we can brand it to you real quick so you can remember it pretty easily. Go to settings at the bottom left. And then do right there in that we're on the screen and go to branded domain. Type app dot whatever your domain is. And then hit add domain on the line with your domain host, and then you will be able to log in at app dot
Oh, that's cool. Thanks for this.
garagestore.com. So it'll be branded, and your links will come from that. And, so it looks like you'll have to do it manually. You just need to go add that CNAME of that required value and put app in front of it. Where's your domain hosted? Remind me.
Namecheap.
And then go to yeah, DNS, add record, CNAME, and then do the host app, and then paste that. Save all changes. There you go. I'll go back in there and hit verify. May take 2 or 3 times clicking it, but now you can log in with that, and that should be easy to remember. But what we need to do here is once this is done, we will on the left side go into integrations and map that new conversation form, the short form. Hit verify again. It may take 3 times. Oh, bingo. Hit update. Far left on the menu, all the way down. Integrations, boom. And then at the top, it says Facebook form fields mapping. the very top of the page. And then that top form, garage door repair short, hit map fields. How can we help? Go ahead and hit select field and scroll down. And let's see, repair details. Then hit to go on that. The other form's already mapped. Now let's hit go. While you're in here, go to phone numbers on the left side. Hit filter at the top. Drop down that far right drop down. Put first part of number and then search your 469 area code. And then hit apply top right. And then select one of these numbers and purchase that. That thing's red. It says your A2P 10 DLC registration is incomplete. So X off of that and then hit start now. So you need to submit down at the bottom, hit start registration now. Oh, it wants me to do it. Okay, I can go in and do it from my side. I would just need your, well, so if you go to business profile on the left side, I don't know if we filled this out. So business profile, and then I need, scroll down. Did you do your EIN? You did. Okay, so I just need to submit that for the phone to work and be able to send you those text notifications. But if you hit go back in the gray button up there,
Will it send it to my business number? Or can I send it to my like personal phone number?
we can send it to your personal phone number.
Okay.
Or business, whatever. But go to marketing automations at the top, and then go into that new Facebook lead, and so click that internal notification. So it should be sending that email to you. You're not getting that?
I'm not getting this, no.
Okay, click that Facebook lead form at the top. Click the trigger. Should send on any lead. So let's go back to workflows top left. Go to on the left side, go to leads, conversations, go to all. So click that Andrew J. White work one. So click into those. It's opened. Not always 100% accurate, but I would go and check your email box, your spam, and just if it is in there, just have it mark it not spam for all of them. And then hopefully they'll start going into the inbox for you. But did we set up a email subdomain? Go to settings, email services, bottom left. I don't know that I really got into setting this up with you, but email services down a little bit, up a little bit, up a little bit more, right there. Okay, yeah. So you're sending from mine. So X off of that, hit create. On the right, hit dedicated domain and IP. And then hit add domain. And then create your own. I would do like messages or support.truegaragedoor.com or something like that. Just whatever you want the emails to come from. And then hit, that's why none of my emails are getting out. Yeah. gonna make you manually add a bunch of freaking DNS records. So go ahead and do that on your own. But
Okay.
once you update that, you should start getting messages when those come through, and then just shoot me a message in school when, after, just let me know how it's going over the next couple days, obviously. But let's plan to get some time, Thursday evening or so, and go through and do a optimization, and then we can add, more conversion methods to test if we don't like the results, or kind of decide where to go from there. But ideally, we have a lot of success here, and then next step is to scale your ads.
Okay.
Next time we get together, talk about how we go about scaling up ad spend.
So for the phone number, like the leads coming to my phone number, like my actual phone number.
Yeah.
Well, can I do that right now, or am I gonna have to wait?
I'm gonna have to submit that A2P. It's gonna have to get approved, and so that'll probably take 3 to 5 days. But we could do a push notification. So
Well, I mean, as long as it's coming to my email, I think I'm fine.
yeah, I mean, we could do a push notification to the app if you want, or but yeah, once the A2P is approved, we'll be able to
Okay. Also, I'm adding the records here. It looks like I can't add an MX record.
You can't add an MX record.
Yeah. Let me show you. It's like add new record, and there's no MX.
It's down under mail custom MX. That's an MXE record. Do an MX custom MX. There you go.
Okay.
All right, man. Well, let me know if you have anything else on the CRM side that I can help with.
I don't think so. So should I just check my my spam folder from it's coming from that
Yeah, it would come from that email that you put, but it may come as spam because you're trying to show your email address as the one you're showing, and it's coming from my email domain, so
Okay.
it might be spamming it out.
Also,
yeah, well, go ahead.
well, would you know what the priority is for this?
Hover over that triangle. So priority like 100 seconds, or it's like 100 something. Click off of it. Does it stay blank? Do priority 1. I don't know, to be honest. Hit and then save, and then add new. There. TXT DMARC support.
Should have.
That, I think that was a little bit. All right, brother. And then I guess if you want to go GX out of that,
Oh no, it's still in there.
you're good. On the left side, if you go to my profile, you can actually do a two-way sync. So if you scroll down, down, you can do a two-way. Keep going down. Let's scroll up, I guess. They keep changing that shit. What is it? Okay, that's the calendar. Video conferencing. Scroll up. Do they have? Oh, on that right side there, email two-way sync. If you wanted to just have all of your email come into here, you could just sync it there as well.
Oh, okay. I probably don't need that.
Yeah, I mean, if you have like a specific branded, TrueSafe Garage Door email, then potentially that might be worthwhile. The other thing I would say is go under Labs and just make sure everything's turned on.
Labs.
Yeah, turn all that stuff on.
What was that email that I would have gotten those messages from, so I can like?
I forget whatever we put in the workflow.
Oh, okay.
Go back at the top. And then go to that Andrew White work on the conversations there. Down to the second one. Click into one of the emails. You'll see what email you sent it from. And who's it from? Go to the right. There's a triple dot at the right side there. Hit details. From leads at andrewwhite.com.
There would be.
And then just do that for all of them. That should help. But also, we just set up your own dedicated domain, so you definitely want to warm it up. I mean, I don't think you'll have a problem with it, but try to keep it under 30 to 50 emails a day for the next week or two as it warms up that new subdomain. But otherwise, you're all launched. Holler at me in the group, and fingers crossed tomorrow morning you got some leads popping through.
Yeah, we'll do. Yep. Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate it. I'll keep in contact.
All right, man. Have a good night.
Yep. See you. Bye.